Hi, everybody. Welcome back after Thanksgiving. I hope you had a wonderful week off. I am going to give us a quick review of what we've done so far this semester because we just need that for our brains to re-enter school and what we've been up to. So the first 3 weeks we did a lot of orientation to Canvas and Oregon Family School, high school. Then we learned a bit about support. That was our first big topic of how to be successful in high school. We looked at how to set up our study space at home to be productive. We moved on to talking a bit about our energy and what times of the day we have best energy for schoolwork. We also looked a little bit at how to take notes during that week. Moving on to week 6, we set SMART goals, and we started learning a bit more about what executive functioning is. That led us into some test-taking strategies to help us get ready for midterms and managing test anxiety. After that, we looked at understanding grades and credits and what they mean in high school and for graduation, and how to manage stress. Next, we learned about how to learn from our failures, our mistakes. You guys took an executive functioning questionnaire that showed you some of your strengths and challenge areas. Last week, or the week before Thanksgiving, we looked at how to overcome procrastination and how to stay focused. I'm going to switch screens now and show you that these were the results of our class, for our class overall from that executive functioning questionnaire. So as a class, we had a big strength in self-monitoring and self-checking, the ability to notice how we're doing and check on our understanding, check on our work. And about half of us, or a little less than half of us, had strengths in organizing and prioritizing. You'll notice that no one had a strength in working memory. In fact, for a number of students in this class, that is a challenge area. So I wanted you to see this to understand why this week, the next couple of things we're going to be doing are going to have to do with working memory. Working memory is when you need to hold information in your active mind to work with it or manipulate it. You have to use it in some way, not just remember it, but use it in some way. Organizing information over here, I love this image they gave all of you of the Rubik's Cube, that the way that we organize information as it comes to us, as we take it in, can help our brains to remember that information more easily. So you guys are taking in information all the time in all sorts of ways, whether it's a screencast like this one, a PowerPoint, a video, reading, all different kinds of ways you're taking information in, and how you organize that really impacts your brain's ability to understand it well and then to recall it or remember it. So the last thing I want to show you is what you're going to do next. You are going to access this document, 3-column notes. The idea with 3-column notes is that you help your brain organize the information by recording what the topic is. So this should be one word or a phrase, and then taking your actual notes about the details. What are all the important pieces of information that you are being taught about that topic? And then the 3rd column is really the key to helping you remember it. This is where you will either write a mnemonic. Mnemonic is a word that means something to help you remember. And in the next parts of this week's lessons, you're going to learn some options for mnemonics. Or you can just simply write your reactions, your comments, your questions about these details on this topic. The key to this third column is that your brain is active. Your brain is making meaning out of these details and topics, because it is possible to watch a video and record information without really thinking about it, without really working with it in your brain. So this is going to be the key column for you. This is the thing that you will turn in. You'll turn in 2 things this week. This document is one of them. You're going to take notes on the 2 PowerPoints you're going to see. They're both about memory, working memory strategies or mnemonics. And then you are going to use one of the memory strategies I teach you for any of your current classes. And then you're going to turn in a sample of what you created, whether you draw a cartoon and you just snap a picture of that and turn it in, whether you record a video of yourself explaining what you did, write up a document, whatever you want to turn in, just a sample of the memory strategy you used. That's it. Have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions.